How to extract audio from video on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Then, go to the top and tap on the arrow. Select Rename. Rename the new shortcut as Video to Audio. And then, tap on the Details icon at the bottom as shown. Here, turn on the Show in Share Sheet feature. Tap on Done. Now, tap on the text over here and then turn on the Media feature. Then, tap on Done at the top. After that, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in Encode Media. Tap on Encode Media. Here, tap on the arrow and turn on the Audio Only feature. Go to the search bar again and type in Save File. Then, tap on Save File. And then, tap on the arrow beside it and turn on the Ask Where to Save feature. After that, tap on Done at the top right. You have successfully created this shortcut. Go back and open up the Photos app. Open any video from here and tap on the Share icon at the bottom left icon. Over here, scroll down to the end and tap on Video to Audio, which is the new shortcut you just created. Here, select the folder where you want to save the audio file. Then, tap on Open. Go back again and open up the Files application. Go to the folder you just saved the file to. You can now find the audio file over here. Open it to listen to the extracted audio. Following these steps, you can easily extract audio from video on iPhone.